to my channel. In today's video, I have my first ever declutter video for you guys, and I asked you guys on my Insta stories if you guys wanted to see this as a series on my channel, and you guys said yes. So that's what I'm doing today, and I thought I would go through my lipsticks and lip glosses first, since that is kind of what I have the most of, and I thought we would just conquer that today. And I'm pretty much going to go through all the colors I don't wear anymore, or that I've never used and I'm just not interested in, and I'm going to pretty much either use those for giveaways if I haven't used them already, and usually I just give them away to friends and family, or if they are expired I have to throw them out. But I've seen these on YouTube and they're so much fun to watch, so I definitely am excited about making this into a series. But before I begin, if you guys are not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe now. Also head on over to my vlog channel, I'm always on there, and without further ado, I'm gonna get started with this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are decluttering lipsticks, very, very exciting, and all my lip glosses. And a majority of this drawer is lipsticks, and then I do have some like lip glosses up in the front here, but majority is lipsticks, and we have a lot of drugstore back here. We have Milani, NYX, we have some Too Faced and higher end stuff right here. So I'm gonna work my way to the drugstore, but I'm gonna start off with high end right now, and I'm gonna go through all the lipsticks I am gonna declutter, and there's just a lot that have expired. I definitely know that. I've had these YSL lipsticks for way too long. So if I say that I'm going to declutter, it usually means that I'm going to either chuck it out if I say it's expired, or I do have a separate bin for things that I give to like my family, my friends, and if it's not used, then I definitely use them for giveaways, which I do have some of these that are unopened, so I definitely will use some for giveaways. And alright guys, well I'm gonna start off here with the YSL, and I'll go through this stuff right here, which is all the stuff that I use every day, so obviously I'm gonna keep that stuff. But let's start with the YSL lipsticks. So these were actually my favorite lipsticks of all time a few years ago, so I definitely purchased a lot of them. They are very, very expensive. I think these run for like $40-something. Now, number 2 is my favorite shade, so I think I have 2 of them, this one here and this one here. That's what the shade looks like right there. It's so gorgeous, but I am gonna declutter these because they've been sitting here for over 2 years, so I've definitely had them for too long and it's time to retire them. You can also tell from the faint smell, like it smells kind of off, so that's kind of when you'll know that the lipstick is getting old as well. Okay, so next lipstick right here, we have a mellow lipstick, and I've actually never worn this before. I actually got it from my bridal shower. So it's like a darker nude. It is like a wintry color, and I actually have never worn it before, so I think I will play around with it and keep it. We have an Urban Decay lipstick, so this is in the color Heartless, and this was one of my favorite pinks, and it's so gorgeous. Pink. Very rosy pink, and I love wearing this during the spring, also during the summer, and it is really nice because it's so pigmented. It's also matte, so I love these. I would definitely get more shades, but this is the only one I have. I have my classic red lipstick, so this is Sugar Pill. It's my only Sugar Pill lipstick. It has the cutest packaging. That's what the color looks like right there, and it's just a really, really nice red. It's also very, very matte, so this is a really nice color to wear during like the holidays, so I definitely am going to keep this lipstick. I have an Etude lipstick. I am actually going to declutter this. I've had it for a really long time. I think I've had this for like 3 years. It does have the cutest packaging though. The color right here, it's a really nice coral, and I don't really wear corals all too often, but I have had this lipstick for a very long time. Even though the packaging is so cute, I am gonna declutter it. And I've also started like a separate bag down below. We'll show you guys my whole like declutter after I declutter all my lipsticks and glosses and show you and count them and how many we've decluttered today, but I'm gonna continue. So this right here, I'm also going to declutter. I've had this for a very long time, and this is a Tarte, what is this called? So it's the Butter lipsticks with the fancy packaging right here. Just like a really nice light coral. Swatch it for you. See, it's not even showing up on my hands. That's also when you know it's kind of like old. Hardly showing up. So it was a lot more pigmented before, but yeah, it's hardly showing up right now on my hand. I am gonna declutter this. I've just had it for a very long time. The packaging is super duper cute though, and these were really, really nice. I remember it being very moisturizing, but it does look pretty dry right now. Here we have a lipstick with Paul and Joe, and I think this is my only lipstick by them. I got this as a gift, and it wasn't that long ago. Really nice, like, hot pink color. These are also super moisturizing, and I think I am going to keep this color. I don't really get to play with colors like this that often, so maybe I'll wear it a little bit more and test it out. So getting in right over here, we do have this Estee Lauder lipstick. I think I'm going to declutter this as well because I don't remember wearing it that often. It's a really hot pink, this color right here. so I just don't see myself wearing that. I have the Smashbox Always On liquid lipsticks. These are amazing, so highly pigmented, very hydrating at the same time. I didn't really like the colors that they came out with, to be honest. There's only a few that I like. Keep this color right here. It's a really nice like pinky color, so that's one of the ones that I like. I also like the nude color that they came out with, so this one right here. But as for the rest of them, they did come out with like a gray. I'm gonna declutter this gray, and then right here we have dark orange right here, which is just not me. And then I think I am gonna keep this salmon pink. It's just like a really nice fuchsia pink. I will keep the red just in case I wear the red. The plum color, you guys know by now, I do not like purples or plums on my lips, so I am gonna declutter this. So I got those three in the bag there, and then this one here. This is actually a really nice color. I might keep this coral. It could be something that I wear during spring, so I might keep this. The nude. So now I just have 6. Okay, so right next to these, we have my all-time favorite lipstick in the world. This is MAC Angel. You guys hear me talk about this all the time. We'll put that right back in there. And then right here, we actually have a Patrick Star lipstick. It's a really gorgeous nude that he came out with. So that's what the lipstick looks like there. And these are really, really highly pigmented, creamy. So of course, I'm gonna keep this. I already feel like I've created so much room, it's crazy. And right over here, Here we have 3 Gerard Cosmetic lipsticks, so you guys know the classic gold packaging. I'm gonna check out what colors I have. These are the 3 shades that I have. I think I'm just gonna keep the pink one, I'm gonna get rid of the red one, and then the gray color, so I don't think I would ever wear that. Very long lasting on the lips as well, and they are for a great price, so I definitely would highly recommend these. So this is in the shade Darling Cherry, and I just want to swatch it quickly for you right there. This is totally something I would definitely wear, so I am going to keep this shade. These ones I am going to give away as well. These ones right here. So this one I might use for a giveaway. This is actually really pretty, but it's just something that I wouldn't really reach for that often. I'm gonna declutter that as well. I'm just gonna grab all these browns because these ones right here I am never going to wear. So let's take these. So we got 2 more plum colors right here. I am going to get rid of these as well, and I think I'm going to keep this one. I'll keep the red. I'm going to get rid of this one. I'm going to get rid of this one. This plum, oh my god, I think this is the one that I wore, that Ryan made me wear. Yes, definitely get rid of that one. This gray color I'm going to get rid of. This really purple color I'm going to get rid of. I think I might keep this. This is nice. I'm going to keep the pinks. So I've got, yeah, and then, but right here, yeah, we actually have some of my all-time favorite lipsticks. The 45, they're just very highly pigmented, definitely wearable for like every day, and they have so many shades to choose from. So I'll swatch that there on my hand for you guys to see, but yeah, this is a really nice, just like bright pink. So if you guys like pinks like me, you'll definitely like this collection because they came out with so many. So I've got 2 of those. I also have this really nice color, the Matte Blissful, so it's the number 62. It's a really gorgeous plummy color right here. Power Pink, I am going to keep this lipstick. It's gorgeous. I just swatched it for you guys. And then the Rose, I am going to keep that. And 33. These are all just very pinky colors or nude colors. Nude Cream is a really nice nude if you guys like nudes. And right here we have the Hot Pink Rage. I am going to keep that. Matte Blissful, one of those dark nudes that I don't think I'd wear. So I am going to put that in the pile. We have 63 Matte Diva. I'm going to keep that. Keep that. Right here, I am going to keep a few reds. I should keep a few reds in my collection because sometimes I do wear them. So, this is a little too orange. This is like a bright orange, so I don't think I'm going to keep this. I'm going to declutter. We have Matte Orchid, which is a really nice pink, so I'm going to keep that. And then last one right here, the Uptown Mauve, and I don't think I'm going to keep this. Or I'm definitely going to keep these right here. These are both L'Oreal, the 800 Ferris Nude. I love this lipstick. It's gorgeous. That's what the color looks like there. It's definitely one of my favorite nudes by L'Oreal, so I am going to keep this color. You guys, look at that. That is so crazy. So we have gone through a majority of my drawer already, and look how much space we have. It's just crazy. I highly recommend doing a declutter. Okay, so now getting into this separate little thing right here, which I have a lot of my Too Faced melted latex in here. So I already know I'm going to keep a majority of these. I wear them all the time. These ones right here, the melted latex. There are a few colors that I'm going to get rid of just because it's going to be clutter and I don't wear some of them. So these ones in the front here I am going to keep. So the melted latex color right here. I just swatched Safe Word on my hand right here. It's my favorite from the collection. It's the pink shade, so I definitely am going to keep this. And why don't we put them over here for now? And then right here, I'm actually gonna keep this as well. It's a really nice plum color. And I just love the consistency of these. They last all day on the lip. They actually have a shiny finish, but I am gonna keep this as well just in case I wanna wear it during the springtime. Right here, I'm gonna get rid of these two colors right here. So we have the dark plum, which you guys know I don't really wear plums, then the lighter one right here, which I can never see myself wearing, so decluttered. So we've got a few more down here, matte longwear lipsticks. So this is in Me So Pretty. This is actually one of my favorite shades. It's just a really, really nice light nude, so I am gonna keep that. Declutter, because this is like a grayish brown and I would never wear this, so I'm gonna declutter. So this is in the color Love You Mean It, and it's just a really pretty coral, so I am gonna keep that color. And reddish brown shade, I am gonna declutter this as well. Declutter, just not a color I would wear. Right here we have the classic red. Of course I'm gonna keep this. It's just that nice blood red, so I'm gonna keep that. This is one of my favorites too. This is just their clear gloss, which is nice over anything, so I'm gonna keep that. Right here, this is the color But First lipstick, so it's a really nice hot pink color. I am gonna keep this. It's a very nice spring looking color, so let's keep that. Right here we have a more purpley pink, so this is the Love You Long Time. So I guess I have two of those. Right here, I actually just bought this the other day by e.l.f. So this is in the color Natural, and these are amazing. They're so highly pigmented, long wearing, and I love these. The only one I have by e.l.f. I definitely wanna go pick up some more. And then right back here we have the Makeup Forever. This is the Ultra HD Lip Booster Serum, so I'm gonna keep this. It is really nice hydrating before you put on any lipstick or gloss, so I'm gonna keep that. Here we have another plum color sneaking up on me, so I am going to declutter this. By NYX, the Powder Puffs. I actually got these just recently, so I haven't even tested them out yet. I definitely want to keep them to maybe do a video, so I am just gonna keep all the shades for now. Here, two of them I can see are pretty nude. This one right here. So that's in the color Best Buds. And then we also have this pink color, so it says Teenage Dream. And then this one right here is the Squad Goals. Hey you guys, we did it. So that is the first lipstick drawer that I decluttered. Look at that drawer. It's crazy, and it just looks like colors that I would wear, which is awesome because that's exactly what I want. I didn't want a ton of lipsticks that I just don't wear often, and it just would not be that useful having them. So yeah, I think I did a really good job on this drawer, and wow, did we ever declutter a lot of lipsticks. I am actually shocked. So since we finished the first drawer, let's go on to the second. Okay, so right in here we have a lot of my glosses, and then I have a drawer underneath with glosses as well. And I recently did some decluttering actually of my glosses, so I don't have like a super crazy amount right now, which is amazing, but I do have some ones that I do want to declutter with you guys, so I thought I'd go through that. So right here we have my Marc Jacobs gloss. These are the High Shine glosses, and this is in the color Pink Flamingo. I am definitely keeping this. It's one that I wear all the time. Really pretty Pure Cosmetics. This was from the Little Pony collection, so it's a really nice coral gloss. I'm gonna keep this as well. I have a Mariah Carey collection gloss from MAC, so I am definitely gonna keep this. It's nice over top of any nude. This is in the color Dream Lover, and it's one of my favorites. Then right here, I recently actually bought this. It's from Tarte, so it's called Lip Bling, and you put this over top of like any lipstick. It's super sparkly and gorgeous, so I'm definitely gonna keep that. Actually going to declutter this. So this is a lip gloss that I got from Icing, and it's not very good, so I definitely think I'm just gonna chuck it. It's really chunky and thick, and I just don't like this gloss at all. Time to play with these yet. These are the Joe Fresh glosses, and I ended up getting just 4 shades, and these are actually really price friendly, so that's why I picked these up. But I haven't worn them yet, and I definitely will because I bought these shades because I like them all, and they're all pinks. Gloss, I'm actually going to declutter this because I just don't like these glosses at all, so I'm gonna throw that in declutter bag. And it looks like it's a dark purple, but these actually come on really, really faint and just adds like a touch of sparkle, so I'm actually gonna keep this, and I really like the collection as well. Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy, I'm gonna keep this. It's a really nice lip gloss over top of like nudes. So this is pretty much my keep area right here because I use a lot of those glosses, and I think these ones are going to be more declutter. I honestly hate having anything in my collection that I've had for over 2 to 3 years because you just know it's going to be bad or it smells gross, so I definitely don't want to keep those. And right here we have an Anastasia lip, what are these called? So this is in the color Pink Pastel. It's one of my favorites, just this really nice light pink gloss. So I definitely am going to keep this. It is really highly pigmented as well. I actually purchased these recently, so I haven't even opened them. They are the Katy Perry glosses right here. So I definitely am going to keep these and put them in my keep drawer right there. Right here we have a ColourPop Hello Kitty gloss, and it's a really, really nice like red sparkly shade, so I'm gonna keep this as well. What else do we have in here? Okay, so I think I'm gonna get rid of some of these. I got these from Pure Cosmetics. They sent them to me, and they were with the Jade collection. Don't like the shades at all. Like, it came with a purple and then kind of like, I guess the nude one is okay, but it's still kind of grayish to me. And then also this brownie color right here. So just colors that I wouldn't really wear. So I definitely am going to put this in my declutter pile. So just right in here, I'm keeping a majority of these. These are the Anastasia glosses, and these are the most amazing glosses ever. They're so highly pigmented. I'm pretty sure I have all the shades as well, so I'm not going to go over every single shade. This one was actually my favorite, the color Milkshake, so it's a really nice light nude if you guys like nudes, because a lot of her shades are quite dark. And then this one right here, Dusty Lilac, is just a really nice pinky purple, and it's gorgeous to wear on. I've worn this for like a lot of photo shoots and stuff, so I definitely am going to keep this. Around with ColourPop that much, so I definitely want to try more. And right here, I'm going to keep all these, the Anastasia glosses, because they are amazing. And then we have this really nice hot pink. This is in the color Dollhouse. So this is another one of my favorites. This color right here, Dollhouse, just a very nice bold pink. So I definitely am going to keep this. It is a gorgeous color. So these right here, I just have a lot of my Gerard Cosmetics, like a million of them. Like, look how many I have. These I really do like. These are really, really nice. These are the matte, and then some are metallic ones. I actually think I am going to declutter some of these because they're just shades that I would never wear. So I can just tell from looking at them. I think I'm going to declutter. Oops. Okay, so I'm going to keep these. This is a gorgeous color right here. I really like this one. It's Pink Tiara, and it's so pretty, and these are the ones that light up as well. And then I just have this really nice coral color and a nude down there. I'm going to keep the red. I don't like the brown. I'm going to keep the pink color. I'm going to keep the nude. I'm going to declutter these. Wow, that's a lot. Okay, so all of these right here, which are a lot are like metallics. I have some doubles of some. I'm not going to go through every shade name with you guys, but I am going to declutter these because they're not my shades. This bag is definitely very full. Like, look at that, guys. We super decluttered today, and I am actually pretty shocked. Like, that's a lot of lip colors. That's a full bag right there. So I have to say this was very, very successful, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this declutter. If you guys want to see another declutter of a different category of makeup, let me know in the comments down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys declutter your lipsticks, lip glosses, and you guys feel just as good after. Okay guys, so that was all of my lipstick, lip glosses decluttered. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. It was so much fun to do, and it feels really good just to like spring clean and get rid of a lot of stuff. So if you guys enjoyed watching this, definitely let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see next. So if it's bronzers, blushes, mascaras, anything like that, just let me know what you want the next category to be. And I'm so excited to film that video for you guys, and I hope you guys have an awesome day, an awesome week, and subscribe if you guys have not. And of course, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!